This video is about how to do scholarly research for your psychology classes. We will look at the Ivy Tech Psychology Library Guide, explore psychology databases, practice research techniques, and learn to identify peer-reviewed articles. Let's start on the statewide library page. We can find the statewide Psychology Library Guide by clicking on Library Guides. These guides are organized by general guides, class subject guides, guides for specific courses, and topic guides for non-class related topics. We are going to select subject guides. Here you will find a guide for all psychology and sociology classes statewide. The Psychology Guide has tabs to help you with research, find videos, write citations, and more. Let's click on Research. All the databases on this guide specialize in psychology resources, but you might use them in different ways. All the databases we look at today contain peer-reviewed articles. Peer-reviewed means the article was submitted to an academic journal where a board of peers or other experts in the field read the article. This peer review board evaluates the article, looking for problems with the methods. If they find problems with the study, they will not publish it. For this reason, we frequently talk about peer-reviewed literature being the most reliable source of information. Psych Articles contains peer-reviewed articles and journals published by the APA. Psychology and Behavioral Sciences collection is a larger database of psychology sources, and most of it is peer-reviewed, but not all of it. Academic Search Complete is a general academic database that includes psychology as well as other academic disciplines, both peer-reviewed and non. All three of these databases look very similar because they are made by the same company, but they contain very different kinds of information. Let's look at Psychology and Behavioral Sciences collection. Coming up with a search phrase is an exploratory process, and you may have to play around with several different words or phrases before you land on the search with the best results for you. If I search for concussion, I find 424 results. Some databases may offer search suggestions. Let's try concussion or mild traumatic brain injury. This brought back 613 articles. Database suggested search phrases are not necessarily better search phrases. You may want to add additional search phrases to narrow down your ideas. For example, if you want to know more about how concussions may cause depression, we might add the search phrase depression. This brings back 80 articles. Notice the text right above each article. This identifies what type of article we are looking at. For scholarly papers in a psychology class, you want something labeled a peer-reviewed academic journal or scholarly journal, instead of a more popular periodical or news article. If your instructor requires your articles to be peer-reviewed, be sure that you select the peer-reviewed filter below the search box, and all your results will be peer-reviewed. Let's select one of these articles. This is the detailed record for the article. You will find the publication information we used to make the citation, including the article title, the authors, and the journal where the article originally appeared. The abstract is a summary that describes the article. If we are interested in the article, we want to be sure to read the full text, which you can find at the top of the page. This article is available in both PDF and HTML online full text formats. Let's click on PDF. PDF articles frequently include page numbers. You can also choose Online Full Text. Choosing the Online Full Text will give you options to listen to the audio of the article or translate the article into other languages. When you find a good article, use the Share button in the toolbar in the upper right corner to save the article. You can share the article to your student Google Drive or email the article to yourself. You can also use the Cite tool to create an APA-style citation. Be sure to choose APA style from the drop-down menu. Double-check your citations, as automatically generated citations may contain small capitalization errors. As you continue your research, you may need to search more than one database. Let's try the same search in PsycArticles. You will notice that we find fewer results on the same topic, and that all the results in this database are already peer-reviewed. If we do the same search in Academic Search Complete, we may find more results. Notice that we found more results, but many of them are not from psychology journals. Research is an exploratory process, and you may need to try multiple databases and experiment with multiple search phrases to find your articles. This concludes the video on doing psychology research. If you have any questions, contact your Ivy Tech library by visiting the website and select Ask a Librarian.